All right, so today we're taking a look at the SHOKZ OpenRun Pro. These are a pair of open-ear bone conduction headphones, and this is their new blue colorway, but they also come in black. Now, these are going to be a great option for runners, cyclists, or just people that spend a lot of time outdoors and need that open style design so they can maintain awareness at all times. Or even if you don't spend a lot of time outdoors and you just don't like things on or in your ears, and you're looking for an alternative that's still going to allow you to enjoy your music as well as your phone calls, then these will work for that as well. So inside the box, you're going to get this nice case, and it's kind of a combination between a soft shell and a hard shell case, but it'll definitely keep the headphones protected if you're going to be throwing them in a gym bag or something of that nature. You're also going to get a magnetic charging cable, which you can attach to the back of the headphones. And then as far as the headphones themselves, they are super lightweight, coming in at only 29 grams. They're using a titanium wire frame, so you can see they're extremely flexible, but still very sturdy and secure. You also have access to your controls. So on the right side, you have your volume up and down buttons. And then over on the left side, you have your multi-function button, which allows you to play and pause your music, as well as track forward, track backward, and activate your voice assistant. So the headphones are running Bluetooth 5.1, and they claim around 33 feet of range between the headphones and your Bluetooth device. As far as battery life, you're going to get roughly 10 hours on a single charge, and they do feature quick charge, so just 5 minutes will give you an hour and a half of listening time. These are also IP55 dust and water resistant, so these will have no problem standing up to the outdoor elements. Now, as far as the fit, these are said to be 20% smaller than previous models to give you a better and more comfortable fit. So they just kind of rest over the top of your ears, and since there's nothing on or in your ears, you could definitely wear these for long periods of time with no issue. And I like the fact that when you're not listening to anything, you do have the option to just rest them around your neck. So when you are wearing the headphones, you can literally hear everything going on around you. If you're outdoors, maybe you're walking on a trail and you need to hear if someone's coming up behind you, maybe someone's riding a bike and you'll need to move to the left or the right, you'll be able to hear them as they're approaching. Or if you're somewhere that has traffic, you'll be able to hear that traffic and make sure you stay safe. So as far as the sound quality, if you're not familiar with bone conduction technology, the headphones are basically transmitting sound through your cheekbones. They also have 2 bass enhancers, so if you're listening to any bass-heavy music, you can definitely feel the vibrations. And if you have the volume up high enough, it can actually kind of tickle at times, so that is something to keep in mind. As far as the overall sound quality, it's not on the same level as a pair of headphones or earbuds, but that's not really the focus of these. These are designed so that you can enjoy your music while maintaining maximum awareness. So the way that I would describe the sound is kind of like having 2 small speakers next to your ear. So you can definitely still enjoy your music, and as far as volume, they're giving you plenty even for outdoor environments. And I will say, if you are listening to these indoors in a very quiet environment, at max volume, they will leak a small amount of sound, so just keep that in mind. Now, as far as phone calls, these do feature dual noise canceling microphones to give you the best possible call quality. So let's go ahead and do a microphone test. All right, so this is a microphone test. As you can see, we're outdoors. So this should give you a general idea as to how you'll sound if you do take phone calls. It is a little bit windy today, so I'm not sure how that's going to sound on the microphones, but we'll see once I go back and edit the video. But yeah, hopefully this is a decent test. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. So overall, if you're looking for an option that's going to be extremely comfortable and give you maximum awareness at all times, this is definitely a pair to consider. If you're interested in grabbing a pair, make sure you check out the affiliate links down in the description. It does help support the channel anytime you use those links to make purchases, and it's at no extra cost to you. Also, if you found this video to be helpful, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. And you can follow me on social media at CEO in the Making to stay up to date on all my latest content. So I appreciate you guys watching this video as well as all the others. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.